let me get you voices of students who are in the middle of this entire chaos. Ashna Jain is a NEET aspirant. We have Anandi Singh, a NEET aspirant again. Anvi Gupta and Naveen Gupta are family. In fact, Naveen is father of Anvi Gupta. Aira Ali and Asif Tyagi are again family. Aira Ali is a NEET aspirant and Asif is her father. And Kajal Kumari is again a NEET aspirant. Let me begin with you, Anvi. Why are you seeking re-NEET?
Yes, ma'am. We are seeking re-NEET because, as you see, the results were released on the 4th of June. There has been a very significant, or I would say, very inflated rise in the ranks. Like my rank was supposed to come in the range of 5,000 to 6,000, but it suddenly jumped to 23,000. That means there's a difference of 18,000. Or you could say 17,000 if the supposed rank had to be 6,000 according to this year. So where did the 17,000 came from? So, and even if I talk about significant lower marks like 600, the rank was 30,000 previous year, and now the rank is 81,000. So why there was so much inflation in a year? And the NT states that there has been a reduction of 25% syllabus, which doesn't make any sense, because there has been a significant reduction in the syllabus in
Okay.
JE means and
So
in
you
other as
feel
well.
that those who have been identified as those 1,625 students, they got inflated marks, but they have already undergone retest as well. So you do not feel that there has been correction in what was seen as irregularity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that has not been corrected. Ashna, coming to you, why do you feel that there should not be a retest or re-NEET?
Ma'am, if retest has to be conducted, it had to be conducted in May itself, or even in June. It was okay. But now, after 2.5 months, we are not in touch of syllabus, and we are not reading anything. Now it is not possible for us to gain the same momentum, to gain the same flow, and to attempt the test. Here, the people who were sure that their selection is not happening have already started studying. So they have an extra edge over us. So it is unfair to us who are the genuine candidates to rewrite the test. If it is the mistake of the government, so government should pay for it, not we.
Okay, okay. So you are of the opinion that there should not be re-NEET because all of you cannot go back into studying again. But how confident are you that you'll be able to get a good college when the counseling happens?
At my score, I am getting a good college. Not a very much good college as much I expected, but it is okay. I am ready to accept it. But I think the retest should happen in some states where paper leak has been reported by CBI. So our rank will automatically boost up.
Okay. Anandi Singh, coming to you now, because there are a number of students who feel there should not be re-NEET, there should be re-NEET. In which side which side are you standing?
Ma'am, just like Ashna said, re-NEET should be conducted for those students that has been find out that they have actually cheated or there had been paper leaks, because first of all, there is no accurate data about how many students who have got the papers which were leaked. And like conducting re-NEET for 25 students, that is a big amount. That is not just for everyone. We were in touch for studying around 10-12 hours every single day, giving tests every day. We were in a flow. And now that they have given like 2 months gap, and they expect us that how can we be sure that our performance will be as good as it was last time? So it is not fair for everyone. The amount of pressure and the stress that we students go through, and we have to go through that again because few of them had malpracticed, it's not
So
fair
you
for
do
all of
not
us.
think that, if there is a case of paper leak, it would have led to several students benefiting and several students not. So, that
Yes.
irregularity that is being talked about, you don't feel that it was at a mass level, it could have been localized as the government is arguing.
Yes, ma'am, exactly. There is no accurate number about how many students have got the paper.
ओके सो देयर इज नो एक्यूरेट नंबर आयरा अली एंड काजल आप बताइए काजल पहले वो मैं आपसे सवाल पूछूंगी नीट एस्पिरेंट हैं बहुत सारे लोगों का ये कहना है जो लॉजिस्टिकल इश्यूज थे बहुत सारे बच्चे जा पाएंगे या नहीं फिर से एग्जाम देने के लिए वो बहुत सारे उनका ये भी सवाल है कि ज़रूरत क्या है रीनीट की आप क्या सोचती हैं
मैम सबसे पहले तो एजेंसी जो बोल रही है कि 24 एजेंसी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये साबित करना चाहती है कि 24 लाख स्टूडेंट को इफेक्ट पड़ेगा यहाँ पे जो पहले तो 10 लाख जो क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाए वो डिमांड ही नहीं कर रहे हैं कि रीनीट हो और जो 13 लाख में क्वालिफाई हुए कैंडिडेट उसमें से जो टॉप के 1.5 लाख स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनमें से बच्चे डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि रीनीट हो तो पहले तो हमें ये बताना पड़ेगा कोर्ट में कि सब नहीं चाहते कि रीनीट हो जो 1.5 लाख टॉप के बच्चे वो चाहते हैं क्योंकि उनकी जैसे मेरी रैंक जो 15,000 आनी थी वो 56,000 आई है तो मेरे जैसे बच्चे जो उस कैटेगरी पे लाइक करते हैं वो चाहते हैं क्योंकि अगर गवर्नमेंट चाहे तो अगर 30,000 बच्चे जो आगे निकले चीटिंग करके जो कि डेटा से पता चला अगर उन्हें छांट सकती है तो रीनीट ना करवाए पर वो गवर्नमेंट छांट ही नहीं सकती क्योंकि वो डिनाई कर रही है कि हमने पेपर लीक किया ही नहीं है पेपर लीक हुआ ही नहीं है जब आप एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे कि पेपर लीक हुआ है तो आप उन बच्चों को छांट कैसे पाएंगे तो इसके लिए तो रीनीट करवाना पड़ेगा अगर आप छांट सकते हैं बच्चों को तो आप छांटिए तब रैंक अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगी तो रीनीट मत करवाइए
ओके सो यू आर ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि रीनीट ही एक तरीका है क्योंकि छांट नहीं पाएंगे आप या हाउ डू यू सेपरेट द स्टूडेंट्स हु मे हैव benefited or some kind of have been beneficiary of paper leak. So that is a big concern. Let me bring in the parents first now. Asif, the question is of course to the parents who have been very, very worried. Asif and Naveen Gupta, what are your thoughts? I mean, as parents, is the concern now about counseling or are you staring at uncertainty just like your children are that you do not know whether they'll be reneat or not because the government's intentions are very clear. They have communicated to the Supreme Court in the form of an affidavit that they are not for reneat.
Actually, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि गवर्नमेंट तो डे वन से इस चीज को डिनाई कर रही है कि एग्जाम कंडक्शन जो है वो बिल्कुल फेयर हुआ है और धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी ने भी एकदम से आने के बाद यही बोल दिया था कि एग्जाम फेयर हुआ है वो तो जब मीडिया ने आप लोगों ने जो है इसमें मतलब स्टूडेंट की सपोर्ट में आवाज उठाई और काफी सारी जगह से इंस्टांसेस पकड़ में आए कि पेपर लीक हुआ है तब उन्होंने माना कि उसने क्या पेपर लीक हुआ है इवन सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी कन्फेस हुआ है इस चीज का कि हाँ पेपर की जो गरिमा है जो पेपर की सेंसिटिविटी वो तो भंग हुई है तो ये चीज तो स्टैब्लिश हो चुकी है कि पेपर आउट हुआ है और इतने सारे सेंटर्स पे इनकी खुद की एजेंसी FIR कर चुकी है इवन आज भी अगर आपने लेटेस्ट न्यूज चल रही है कि गोधरा में किसी सेंटर के पर्टिकुलर किसी सेंटर पे डिफरेंट स्टेट के स्टूडेंट है और उनको मीडियम भी गुजराती भरवाया गया और प्लस ये कि पेपर कोर्ट ने जैसे पूछा उसने कहता है कि पेपर के कंडक्शन में और पेपर के लीक में कितना लैग है तो 4 तारीख में पेपर अवेलेबल करा दिया गया था लोगों को जो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे इस टाइप की न्यूज चैट चल रही है कि पेपर मिल गया या फिर कन्फेक्शन में बोला गया कि हमें एक दिन पहले पेपर याद कराया गया और उस वही पेपर हमें अगले दिन मिला तो ये चीज तो स्टैब्लिश हो चुकी है और प्लस ये डिजिटली अगर आप चीजों की बात कर रहे हैं पेपर तो अगर एक दिन पहले अगर किसी सॉल्वर के पास है और उनके पास भी ऑब्वियसली यार वो किसी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम से ही पहुंचा है तो फिर 1 घंटे में दुनिया के किसी कोने में पेपर पहुंच सकता है 1 मिनट के अंदर दुनिया के किसी कोने में पेपर पहुंच सकता है तो इस चीज को ये बोलना है कि पेपर जो लीक है बड़ा लोकलाइज्ड हुआ है सिस्टेमिक नहीं हुआ है वाइड स्प्रेड नहीं है तो इस चीज को कैसे स्टैब्लिश करा जा सकता है और अगर मतलब ये कि मेरी बेटी की अगर मैं बात करूं तो इसका स्कोर मतलब अच्छा स्कोर है कि अगर इन्फ्लेशन नहीं होता अगर पेपर जेन्युइन होता तो इसको आराम से इसके जो भी मनपसंद कॉलेज जो उसने टारगेट कर रखे थे स्टेट्स के वो इसको मिल जाते हैं लेकिन यहाँ पे डिलेमा है कि इसको अभी काउंसलिंग का वेट करे कॉलेज मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा तो एज अ पेरेंट अगर मैं बात करूं तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन की स्थिति है और गवर्नमेंट बोलती है कि सीमाएं सुरक्षित है
So are you now waiting for counseling or do you feel that she will not be able to get the college
We
of her
feel cheated.
choice.
हम cheated feel कर रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट बोलती है कि हमारी सीमाएं सुरक्षित हैं, हमारी एजेंसी फुल प्रूफ हैं, एक एग्जाम तो ढंग से करा नहीं पा रहे आप लोग। एनटीए मतलब नेट के एग्जाम कैंसिल करा रहे हो, उसके बाद सीयूटी का रिजल्ट नहीं दे पा रहे हो, तो ये तो क्वेश्चन मार्क है। इस एनटीए को स्क्रैप कर देना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से।
Naveen Gupta,
Yes, ma'am.
are you waiting for a re-NEET, or are you of the opinion that your daughter Anvi should now enter the counseling, because most students will be taking the counseling that is coming in 2 weeks time, in fact less than 2
The
weeks.
thing is, the thing is ki the position is today is like we are hoping that we will get the justice from the Supreme Court. Now the thing is that the things are being delayed from their side. We don't know who is responsible of it, but the students are facing the crunch of it. Every now and then the days are passing by, and they are playing with the career of so many children. Actually, they don't know the importance of that. And moreover, we see that if the re-NEET is done, the main question is how to extract the tainted one students out of the system. Because the main problem is the tainted one has been entered from the wrong side and affected the whole result. The problem is this. Now the solution is how the Supreme Court look out for the solution for it. Either by the re-NEET of those students which are eligible for getting the good ranks into it, or either by some other method that like 24,000 people have been entered in the month of April by opening the window for it. The photo has been allowed to change it. The data of other things like mobile number and email ID also have been allowed by them to change it in the month of April. So this shows that the problem is created by the NTA by allowing all these factors into the picture. And they are still denying it with all these things.
Okay, since NTA is now going to be restructured, and of course, there is an acknowledgement that the entire functioning of this institution has been problematic. So, can you all wait? Of course, you can't wait, because in just few days from now, there would be counseling. So, Ashna, there are some of your friends here, Ira, Anvi, and Kajal, who feel there should not be any re-NEET. There should be a re-NEET. You are of the opinion there should not be any re-NEET. So how are the students going to find some kind of peace now? Because what appears at the moment is that it is going to be a case of no re-NEET, and all of you are heading for counseling at the moment.
मैम जो भी रीनीट की रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं उनके साथ इशू यही है कि उनकी रैंक कुछ ज़्यादा इन्फ्लेट हो गई है। दे स्कोर्ड अ गुड स्कोर, बट उस पे कॉलेज अच्छा नहीं मिल रहा है। तो मैम वो प्रॉब्लम जिन स्टेट्स में पेपर लीक हुआ है उससे सॉल्व हो सकती है। बस आई एम अपोजिंग रीनीट बिकॉज क्योंकि हमें उस प्रेशर से एंड उस सिचुएशन से वापस नहीं गुजरना, एंड वी आर नॉट ऑल्सो इन द फ्लो। तो जस्टिस तो ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि अगर पेपर लीक जहां जहां हुआ है, जहां जहां प्रूवन है, वहां वहां रीनीट हो जाए। तो उससे भी जो सिचुएशन है वो काफी हद तक सॉल्व हो जाएगी। एंड नॉट इवन अगर मैं भी सोशल मीडिया पे देखूं तो देयर आर टू ओपिनियंस एग्जिस्टिंग, रीनीट और नो रीनीट। सो नो रीनीट वाले स्टूडेंट्स जो डिमांड कर रहे हैं उनकी भी संख्या बहुत ज्यादा है। तो वी कांट से कि रीनीट इज द ओनली सोल्यूशन।
ओके,
और रीनीट भी रीनीट अगर आपने करवा भी दिया तो आप सबके साथ जस्टिस नहीं कर पाओगे। देयर विल ऑलवेज बी अ स्लैब जिसके साथ इनजस्टिस हो रहा होगा, चाहे वो रीनीट हो चाहे रीनीट ना हो।
Though, but at least those students who feel that there should be a re-NEET, they should be given a chance. Are you of that opinion, Anandi, that you are against re-NEET, but those like Ira or Anvi who feel that there should be a retest, they should be given that option?
I feel like most of the students who are requesting for NEET, just like Ashna said, are not getting good colleges, and I absolutely get it. It's heartbreaking, but ma'am, they also should understand that the other students, the genuine candidates who have put their heart and soul and done their best, it's not unfair. It's very unfair for them also, because the amount of pressure we go through, it's not normal, and many students would have to start coaching again. So all these factors are also there.
Okay, so let's
So
have
don't think
Anvi and
Renit-
Anandi on the screen now. I want you to, both of you, to have a conversation here. Anvi, here is Anandi, who feels that you are being unfair by demanding a re-NEET. How will you respond to her?
Ma'am, actually, okay, it's right that she might accept that, okay, that it is very difficult to score such a great marks in the NEET, but there is no justice here, because if you talk about that, there have been leaks in several states, and there have been, I think, in the Latur case also, when the person was arrested, he said himself that the paper was sent via WhatsApp. So when the social media comes into the play, then there's a high chance that it could be leaked to several other people as well. And how you could trace it? The center who has CBI with them, they are refusing that there has been no leak, no mass leak, and they are also, and their investigations, their report is also saying the same. So how can you trace the irregularities? They are not in the favor of investigating the major leaks also. They are not mentioning the people that they have arrested as well.
No, but all
So
those investigation details are in the public domain. There has been an important arrest which has happened today as well. So, Ira, what will you be telling to your friend Anandi?
I'd like to say that the playing field was never leveled. If the playing field was leveled, to their demanding no re-NEET would be fair. But right now, with the rank inflation is 400% in the category where you land a government college.
Okay.
So that's unfair to most of us. And I get what you mean by saying that no one wants to go through that same dilemma one goes through with all the tests and putting in 11, 12 hours. But then you need to level the playing field.
Should there be a level playing field? And rightly so, Anandi, one would say, yes, students.
I agree with you, Ira, but I would also like to say that, being a little frank, I think the paper this year was also easy. And if you're being selected and if you're getting a government college in MBBS, you have to study on your own anyways. So I think what should matter with you is that if you're getting a government college,
perfect score.
what should matter is that if you're getting a government college or not. And paper and the inflation that you're talking about, I think was very valid, because the paper was also genuinely easy as compared to last year.
Paper was genuinely easy, but then
I did
not
expect
easy
that there would be a rank
enough.
inflation, but but now that we know that there are few paper leaks, I feel that it's unfair that that in few states there is very high rank inflation and in others there are not. For example, you take South India. There are 0 states where you are getting this information about paper leaks. It's the entire South India is a big area. How many students are there? There are no paper leaks, no information about it. There are just 4 or 5 states. So rank inflation was valid. I'm just talking about the few of 3-4 states that are present in North India, and because of those few paper leaks, there had been rank inflation. But if you're getting a good government college, I think then it should be fine.
What are the chances of you getting a government college, Ira?
what will you say those people who are in the range in 620 to 650? What will you say to them? That they must belong to this state, then they can favor this, then that can happen. Like
I do understand that it's very hard.
It's a genuine question. What will you say to the 620 to 650? Because I know the value of those marks, because I never scored this much.
I also understand the value, and I know like past 3-4 साल पहले तक 620 630 was very good score. But now you see Delhi में, for example, वहाँ पे Delhi कोटा 650 पे सिलेक्शन नहीं हो रहा बच्चों का, लेकिन मध्य प्रदेश जैसे स्टेट या साउथ इंडिया में तो आराम से उन्हें एम्स मिल जाएगा कोई आसपास का. They are getting good central state colleges. So wouldn't that be unfair for them? जो इतनी large majority students है, जो सेंट्रल इंडिया के और साउथ इंडिया के है, it's just those why that is what I'm saying, and Ashna also said the same thing. जिस state में यहाँ पे ज़्यादा paper leaks हैं, वहाँ पे अगर re-NEET हो, then it's fair, then it would be सबसे ज़्यादा fair for everyone.
So re-NEET, you're of the opinion, should happen from in states where there have been reports of paper leaks. In
Yes,
general,
exactly.
there should not be re-NEET is also a view of certain students here.
Yeah,
So, but
exactly.
this dilemma that the students are facing, even as they look at counseling, which is just few days away, waiting for which college they will be admitted into, we certainly hope that all of you start on a bright note. So thank you so much for joining us and sharing your thoughts. We are putting out the entire discussion on ndtv.com. That's all from me. Thanks so much for watching.